Hey guys, Michael with North End Motors here. This is our 2019 Toyota Corolla LE, this beautiful red. Walk around, see the rims, styling there, red exterior. We're going to open up the back for you, show you in the back seat. And there, get your cloth interior, that's down for you. So you see the cup holders right there for your rear passengers. We can throw that back up too and give you a look just there. Bump seat right there, pretty comfortable in the middle as well. Comfortable and spacious. Over here, just press this button right here, and it pops right open. A lot of trunk space in here. Give you a glimpse inside. A lot of space. Whatever you really need, groceries. Moving. It's all good. Come on the side of you. Got the right side of the body in excellent condition. A lot of space for your passenger as well. Now, Ivy is going to hop in the driver's seat. Nope. All right, so we started up cold day out. It's like 20 degrees out, 25 now. It's gotten a little hotter. See here, we got our AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, USB, and aux. This one has a lot of different options for what you can use for your audio profile here. So we go down, we have the USB, the aux, we got a 12 volt as well. Bluetooth, we're going to control it right on the steering wheel, right here. We also do our drive modes right there. This one has eco mode on there too, save you on that gas. In here, a little bit of space, throw things in there, put some change right here, whatever you need to do. It'll help with that. Traction control. In here, this one is going to come with the Toyota Entune suite of services. So you'll have your navigation on there as well as your music and stuff like that too, should you want to sign up for that. Pretty easy to use. I use it for mine. I have a Camry. Works pretty nice. See in here, we can color our display, vehicle, audio, phone, general, voice, and Bluetooth, all that settings right there. Audio, again, we have our AM, FM, CD, USB, audio with Bluetooth, and our aux. Over here, we can control our audio settings on the steering wheel as well. Our lane keep assist, the warning right here as well. And then our forward collision sensor right there. It's gonna let us know if we're getting a little too close in front of someone. Here too, rear view backup camera. Crystal clear photo here. Works pretty nice. So this vehicle and every single other one of our vehicles is available at northendmotors.com. You can buy any of them online with instant credit approval on each and every vehicle. You can also give us a call to book a test drive or just find out some more information on any one of our vehicles, including this 2019 Toyota Camry, Toyota Corolla LE. 781-575-1002. Or just visit us here at 390 Turnpike Street in Canton, Mass. Thank you.